In this video, we're checking to see if our TI-Nspire CX Premium Teacher software is up to date. If you will open your software and go up to the Help tab and go down to Check for Updates and Notifications, then you'll get a notification that tells you whether or not there are any updates. There's also a box for you to check that will automatically check for updates. If there were updates for the software, this is where you would find the instructions on where to go to update your Premium Teacher software. If you go to education.ti.com and go to Products, Computer Software, and if you look at the list of software, you'll see TI-Nspire CX Premium Teacher software. And there's an entire page dedicated to the TI-Nspire CX Premium Teacher software. As we scroll down, if you click on the Resources tab, you'll see that you not only have a download for the guidebook to help you learn TI-Nspire technology, but you also have a download that will help you update your software.